In this workflow, we are using two instances of P42 Climax in series. One is processing the mid, then the second one is processing the side. I'm using a DAW that does not support dual mono, so this is a way of another way of working. In this workflow, the isolate is only to listen for a few seconds, reference it back, and then turn it back, disable it. This way you are mixing or processing in context of the whole stereo. While I'm working on the mid, I'm still listening to the whole stereo, what it's doing to it. When I'm in the side, I'm still hearing not just the side, I'm hearing the stereo field, the whole thing in context. However, with the isolate button engaged, I can hear it separately, but then I would disengage for this kind of workflow. Let's give it a try, and let's start with the mid. Let's hear it also in isolation as a reference, but this is not the workflow where it stays. It's just to listen to it in isolation, compare it to the original, and then turn it back off. Let's move now to the side and see what we can do here.
Her şeyi unuttum, soğudum ve Karagül yaşadım.